Hey there, what is up everyone? In this video, we're going to be comparing different sound qualities of different microphones. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Alright, so here we have the three main microphones that we're going to be comparing. Like I said, we're also going to compare them with the microphone of an iPhone. So first off, let's start off with this one. So this is a Lavalier microphone. This is what it looks like. So it has a end right here, 3.5 millimeter jack. You can get them different sizes. It also comes with an adapter for a bigger microphone input. And so this is what it looks like. This is the small clip here that you clip onto your shirt, and you can put it inside your clothing, to hide the wires. This one right here, same thing. This one goes screwed on with bolts, usually on top of your DSLR camera, and then it goes connected into the auxiliary jack on the camera. And then here is the Yeti microphone. This one comes with the USB cable where you just connect it to your computer or laptop and begin recording sound with it. We're gonna go ahead and begin testing them out right now. So we're gonna record some sound with this one. We're gonna use the standard settings on each one. So I'm gonna connect it here to the computer. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open up voice recorder. So here I'm recording with the Lavalier microphone. This is the Movo LV1. So, the typical situations to use this microphone are when you're recording something out in public in maybe like a more natural environment where there's, natural like winds and more noises nearby, maybe like traffic, that kind of stuff. So this is the type of microphone you're going to want to use for that, since it's going to be hanging onto like your shirt and it's going to be close by to your mouth, which is where the sound is going to be coming out of, so that it can record the sound the best as possible. Alright, so that's the sound quality right there of the Lavalier microphone. Let's go ahead and connect this Takstar microphone here so you can see the sound quality of this as well. Alright, and then this is the Takstar microphone, the SGC598. So this microphone is just a microphone you're going to be using to record sound while you're recording a camera. So this is good for like vlog type videos where you're carrying the camera around close by to you, and it's going to have this nice microphone hanging there right on top of the camera to record the sound close by. So, the main situations that people use this type of microphone. And here I'm testing with the Yeti desktop microphone. So for professional recording, in a studio, in an office, the desktop Yeti microphone, I would have to say, is definitely the best one because, the sound recording quality is very good. It's amazing. So for those reasons, I would have to say that it's definitely the best microphone for desk usage. I'm going to also be doing a sound recording with the iPhone so that we can compare the sound in the video as well. So I'm going to go over here to the voice recorder. And here I am recording the sound quality with my iPhone, and this is the iPhone 7 Plus. But, most iPhones use the same technology for their microphones, so it shouldn't be much different for newer models. Alright, so personally the one that I use the most is the Yeti microphone. It is also the most expensive one though. Lavalier microphones go for about $10, maybe $20. This type of microphone, they run for about the same thing, maybe $10, $20. This Yeti microphone, they do run for a little bit more. They run for about $100. Let me know which microphone you guys prefer and comment down below. So I'm going to have a link on the description to each of these microphones so that you can go ahead and buy the best one that fits your needs. So remember guys, please leave a like. It really helps the channel out a lot if you enjoyed the video. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.